NX coming at you. Just found this little guy out here in the valley. See how his neck puffs up like a cobra? He's trying to act all tough. Now he's hissing. You hear him? These snakes are so cool. And if they really feel threatened, they'll flip over and play dead. But can you hear him hissing? He's non-venomous. He can't hurt you. I'm not saying his bite wouldn't hurt, but he ain't gonna hurt you. He just plays a tough guy. But isn't his colors beautiful? We're so lucky to have critters like this. Acting like such a tough guy. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna let him go so we don't harass him too much. But remember, if you ain't hillbilly happy, you ain't happy.